it's Daniel. So this week I am here with my sister, and if you did not notice, I am back in my room. I have not, like, the last video on my channel that has been in my room that's like still on my channel is the internet haul, and that was like 4 months ago. So that's insane that I've waited this long, but we are back and I am back, so yeah. So today we have taken a suggestion from my Twitter from Sheila. She is a dear friend of ours. So thank you, Sheila. If you guys have any suggestions, even Sheila, you can still make suggestions. If you guys have any, just leave them down in the comments, tweet me, Instagram me, anything to reach me, and because I want to do what you guys want to see on this channel. So yeah.
Sheila suggested that we do, like, my brother does my makeup, my sister does my makeup, that thing that we did.
So now there's like multiple videos, including this one. So she suggested that we do the Fart Soundboard challenge. I don't know if I would have done this on my own, but since it's a viewer suggestion, you know, you gotta. We have a
Fart
soundboard. There's quite a few options on here, and they have different titles. So we are each gonna do like 5.
Yeah.
Should we do like 3, 4, or 5?
We'll just see how long it takes.
Okay, yeah.
Up to 5.
Yeah, up to 5 we may do. We'll do at least 3.
3 to
but
5.
not more than 5. So I think this is the one that
oh yeah,
Grace Helbing and people use, because I remember Cello Below, Air Biscuit.
Yeah.
Variety show. Yeah, okay. Full blast for the volume on my laptop. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. You get a point if you laugh, and the one with the least amount of points at the end wins.
Okay.
Winner gets to drive to the mall tomorrow.
And we say the name and we play the sound, right? And
yeah, and if you laugh at either one, then you get a point. Okay,
and
ready?
do you get 2 points if you laugh at both?
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay, and 1 point if you laugh at either. Okay, so here, we'll do rock, paper, scissors. 1 round. Loser goes second. Okay, I go first. So I will do donut cream filler.
Oh god. You laughed.
Well, does it count if I laugh?
Should it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it should only count if the other person laughs. I guess we'll do 5 each, because this is going fast already.
Old Sparky. You just laughed!
Oh. Dang it, that's 1 point.
Okay, you have 1 point. I'm already crying. Oh my god.
I really hope Sheila's just like laughing super hard right now. Wet and wimpy.
I'll do fart of the bumblebee.
It's your reaction that gets me. So annoying. I'll do
these are killing me.
trumpeteer.
Oh god.
In honor of me playing the trumpet. Did you just laugh?
No.
You went, oh god. Here we go. That did kind of sound like a trumpet.
It did.
Okay, so we're tied 3 to 3.
Oh man. It's RRR.
Dang it.
It's rip roarin', but the rip has 3 R's in it. So like rip roarin'. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Uh-oh.
I'll do lawnmower. Good job.
Thank you.
That did sort of sound like a lawnmower.
Clucking chicken. Quack.
Light a match! Exclamation. That was lame.
I'll do smoothie.
I'll do mudslide. That was loud.
No! ripoff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially Sheila. Thank you so much, Sheila, for suggesting this video. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah. If you're not a Faniel and you like
Oh God. If you would like to say it with me besides you, say it with me. If you're not a Faniel yet and you'd like to be, you can hit that subscribe button. Thanks, Rachel, for the pillow. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I don't have one for the next one. And if you have any suggestions for any upcoming videos or any other feedback, you can leave them in the comments below. I will see you guys next Friday. I hope you have a great week. I will see you then. Bye!